Today I will be making Kellen Gaulden's mushroom wild rice soup that I found in his cookbook. And the ingredients I have here today, of course, is the star of the show, the mushrooms, some wild rice, some onions, some sweet potatoes, some low sodium vegetable broth, but if you have no sodium vegetable broth, that's even better. Some low fat coconut milk, some dried thyme, dried sage, some garlic, black pepper, and some lemon juice. First step is to saute some onions and garlic. So I've added the onions in. And I haven't added any oil in it. If it starts to stick to the bottom of the pot, what I'll do is just add a few drops of water, and that will loosen it up from the bottom. So I've added the onions, and next I'm going to add the garlic. Next I'm adding the mushrooms, and I'm going to let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, next I'm going to add the sweet potatoes. I love the colors, and it smells really great already. The mushrooms and the onions and the garlic. Okay, so I added the sweet potatoes. And I'm also going to add the rice. And I'm going to add vegetable broth. The coconut milk. The black pepper, the sage, and the thyme. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil and let it cook from 45 to 60 minutes. And here is the finished product.